Can fractions use negative numbers? What do you do if there's a negative number in the bottom of a fraction? So what's up with negative numbers and fractions?
That's a really good question. I actually get this question a good bit whenever with my high school students, and even though they're pretty seasoned with using fractions. I'm going to write some examples on the board so you can see what you might see the fraction look like. Now, all of the three things that I wrote on the board right now are all actually equivalent. It doesn't really matter if the negative sign is outside both the numerator and the denominator, if it is on just the numerator or just on the denominator. Either way, you're always going to get a negative number. The value will still be the same. Remember that the fraction bar means division. So whenever you're looking at something like 1/2, it's 1 divided by 2. So in the problem, in the first expression where I put the negative sign on the outside of both of them, I'm saying the quantity of 1 divided by 2, which is 5/10 or 0.5, and then making it negative. So you still end up with this decimal here. Also, then, if you look at the second fraction that I'm looking at, that's like -1 divided by 2. A negative divided by a positive is always going to still give you a negative answer, so still will equal the same decimal. Lastly, again, we're thinking of this last one as 1 divided by -2. Doesn't really matter because, again, a positive divided by a negative, you get a negative, still the same quantity. So really good question. That negative sign, it does throw off a lot of people because they aren't sure. Should it be in the numerator? Should it be in the denominator? Or should it just be outside all of it? Doesn't really matter. Your quantity is still going to be the same. So hopefully that helps. I'm not sure who asked that question, but I hope that helps. It's a good one.